Taking a look at my new KODAK PIXPRO WP-Z2, and what a nice camera. I needed a camera because I wanted a standard camera and a digital camera, and wanted something that would be waterproof, and this one has all of that and more. It's KODAK. I've always liked the color from KODAK cameras. This one is waterproof down to 50 feet, 15 meters. When you turn it on with the power button up top, you'll get the view screen right away. You've got your easy to use menu. It's similar to all the other KODAK cameras. You can go through the different modes to quickly get it over to video mode, to get it to underwater mode. You can even get it to Wi-Fi, which is pretty cool. I haven't even started playing with that yet. You can review on the screen on the back what you're doing. So if you have any issues, or you want to check a picture right away, these cameras with the screen on the back let you do that. I like that it can do video and high quality photographs. It does have an SD card. It's all underneath, even though it's all waterproof. You can unlock it and open up the door down below, and you can get to the SD card and the battery, and you can even charge it. Nice camera, great form factor, cool yellow color. Looks like a scuba diving piece of equipment, and really good color quality. Hope this helps.